Winter's Craft Garden. Yeah! Hi guys, welcome back to Winter's Craft Garden. Today we're making a special Mother's Day craft, which will be a tote bag. I am going to be doing a rainbow. You can do a sun, flowers, but you can do what you want. You're going to need a tote bag, newspaper inside, or scrap paper to keep the tote bag from sticking to the other side, because then you'd have to rip it apart, and that would definitely stink. Paint brushes, and water to wash off your paint brushes. Let's get started. I'm gonna let this dry and I'll come back tomorrow. Hi guys, now that the tote bag is finally dry, I can do the other side. But before I do that, I have a confession. The newspaper stuck to the bag. So now I'm using wax paper. Let's paint the other side. Gardeners, this is my finished product. As a result to the newspaper sticking to the bag, we decided to do lining. I picked out the fabric and my mom did the lining. It says, "You bring color to my day." And you are my sunshine. And this is a sun. Now, I model it.
Five, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Happy Mother's Day!